Generally what happens is the person will call us, they will provide us with email or a document or some other type of information that they've been provided by the rights holder. We will provide them with a fee quote so they will know what the fee is going to be, whether we're going to take the case on a contingent fee or whether we're going to take the case on a flat fee up front. We will typically have our client sign a retainer agreement, a written agreement between us and our client, which outlines the fee structure and the terms of representation. And then we will send an email or a letter of representation to opposing counsel, to the attorney that's representing the plaintiff, indicating that we're on the case. Then we will examine the evidence and ultimately engage in a series of settlement negotiations with the plaintiff's attorney. We will, of course, loop in our client at that point once we feel that we've reached a settlement amount that's reasonable. And if we're all on the same page and we're able to agree on the settlement amount, we will ask our client to provide that amount. Oftentimes that gets sent to our attorney trust account, our escrow account, and then we will provide those funds to the rights holder. Alternatively, in some cases our clients will just send the funds by check or wire them directly to the rights holder. There will also be a settlement agreement that's signed. And then ultimately, if the person has already been sued and there is a case that's been filed, typically in federal court, then the plaintiff will be required to file what's called a discontinuance of the action, in which they formally close the case. And that's done with prejudice, which means that the individual who provided the settlement funds and signed the settlement agreement would not be able to be sued over that prior act. Of course, it doesn't insulate them against future acts, but once the settlement agreement is signed and the funds are provided to the plaintiff and the rights holder, that's the end of the case, and as they say, case closed.